Cortana be like, Nissan FAIRLADY Z Massive. Oh, wait, I haven't met them. Oh, Nissan FAIRLADY Z Massive. Group of us. What looks good. And once we go in 3, 2, 1, 0. Warning. And okay, that's not the actual one. Here's the actual warning. Go. Lead us. What? Big fireworks. Good.
Show you my
Stupid.
Hello everyone, welcome to Leanna's World. I hope you guys are having a great day and a great week. So I just want to start off by saying I am super sorry that I haven't been uploading lately. Genuinely don't have an excuse, but today's video I will be playing and showing you some of my fidget toys. If you guys don't know, I have quite a
Cortana be like, Cortana nuts. Not warning. Good. Oh, that's not sauce, it's bad now. That's yell. Right. What? I got try again looking.
I'll show you all the stuff that I have.
My stupid face. What?
Hello everyone, welcome to the
This. What? 10 seat. Oh, whoa. Yes, I was right. Now I'm nothing. I create a new contact. Nightstands for you and the finger softs. First, we'll go to ear clean brackings. Wait a second. Cortana be like, Cortana. What happened to Cortana? Cortana be more like, not warning number 3. Yeah. I deleted you from your contact. Wait a second. I don't know what the message is. Wait, what? Wait a second. No time to card with play. Nissan FAIRLADY Z Le car. Lieder, du was ever have alles. Shut talk was Robs. Hello everybody, it's Julia here today. I'm going to play some Super Mario Brothers and my finger toys. And here. Book. Mamma mia! Oil spiel. Boy! Yes. Assist by Lena's World. Okay, I have to close and play Heal Ratings PvP.